너와 나 우리의 여름밤 그 세 글자 네 눈에 떠올라 잠깐만 아니야 떠오른
5,400원. 토마토랑 콘도 넣으세요?
네.
혹시 버터물 추가 이용하시겠어요?
네.
버터물 추가요.
맛은 왜 괜히 이게 좋아?
아니 그럼 이거 세탁할 때는 그때 뭐
빨아서 손빨래.
The last breath of summer is blowing down my necks. And soon we'll wave goodbye to the fleeting bliss. Because you are like a tidal wave, ripping all my life and living without trace. And you know that I'm your silent patient. You know I'm your silent patient. I've been waiting as long for your hands to hold me up. I'll be holding through the winter with a kiss to wake me up. And with the colors of spring, my heart will blossom up again. Speeding up, and with your smile, it will erupt. And I collect all I can, set aside all the supplies. Your kisses and warmth to get through winter time. Because I'm your silent patient. Yes, I'm your silent patient. I've been waiting so long for us to hold me up. I'll be holding to the winter for your kiss to wake me up. Because I'm your silent patient. Silent patient. Because I'm your silent patient. Never giving up. Because I'm your silent patient. Silent voice, I change your lips. Silent patient.
소금으로 갈겼으니까 간장 찍지 마.
맛있어? 아, 네.
17, 얘도 17로 맞춰야
달아? 이거 약간 홈메이드 느낌.
너와 나 우리의 여름밤 그 세 글자 네 눈에